The best way to create multiple streams of income is to have your fingers in as many pies as possible. I'm talking good old apple, cherry, and pecan pies. No, but seriously, a really great way to create a new source of income is by starting a side hustle. This is something that you can do alongside your primary job to help supplement your income. Some side hustles can really make you a lot of money, and they even have the possibilities of surpassing your primary income. This is exactly how I started my own path to financial freedom. In this video, I'm going to show you 9 of the best side hustles that you can start ASAP that can take your income to the next level, and even make you up to $200 per hour or $1,000 plus every single month. Hey, it's Josh, and I'm your financial connoisseur, here to guide you on your way to financial freedom, and teach you the best habits to have if you want to become richer. If you're new here, make sure that you click that subscribe button, and if at the end of the video you like what you see and want others to see it too, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button. So, let's get started on the 9 best side hustles for this year that could pay you up to $200 per hour. Number 1, online focus groups. Do you know that companies are willing to actually pay you for sharing your opinion? Well, companies do, and this first hustle is a thing called online focus groups. Fancy making good money just by offering your own opinion? Well, that's the potential with focus groups, and these days you don't even need to leave your house to do it. If you take part in paid focus groups and share your opinions, you stand to make anywhere from $50 to $500 for about 30 minutes to 3 hours of your time. If this seems too good to be true, then think about what's in it for the companies that pay for these focus groups. Your opinion is very valuable to these companies, as they can use this information to tailor products to people like you, and also get a better understanding of the needs of their customers. That's why large corporations are willing to spend a lot of money to work with a research group to choose people like yourself to voice your opinions. Then everyone wins. The business gets the information they need, the research company gets paid, and then most importantly, you get paid for your time. There are plenty of sites that you can visit to join a focus group, but start with websites like respondent.io, focusgroup.com, and focusgroups.org. I've included links below in the description that you can sign up to participate in these focus groups. Number 2, Ridesharing. Next up on the list is a side hustle that you're probably already very familiar with, and that is ride-sharing. If you haven't heard about ride-sharing by now, then you've probably been living under a rock for more than over a decade. Apps like Uber and Lyft have transformed the way that people travel and work. If you have a car, a smartphone, and a clean driving record, driving for these apps could be a good side hustle for you. A big draw to this kind of hustle is the ability for you to create your own schedule, which allows drivers to make money whenever they want, and gives them the opportunity to make really good money when the rides are in high demand. Uber drivers can earn more than $19 per hour, so depending on how many rides you get and how many hours you drive per day, then you have the potential to earn more than $1,000 per month. And this is a perfect side hustle for anyone that wants to get out of the house, make some extra money, and meet new people in the process. Number 3, food and grocery delivery. Let's face it, people are becoming lazier and lazier every day as technology improves. You can actually benefit from this by delivering people's food and groceries to their homes or workplaces. And this one is extra popular during pandemics too. We live in a world now where it's possible to make money by dropping off groceries to those that need it. There are plenty of people out there who struggle to get out of their homes to buy groceries. You could step in and help them for lucrative amounts of cash, and also it can be very rewarding work. The easiest way to get started doing this is to become an Instacart shopper. The platform will connect you with people interested in food or grocery delivery services. As an Instacart shopper, you get paid an hourly rate, but you can also make good money from tips. By doing consistent good work and having a friendly attitude, you can expect to make some decent money from tips provided from your deliveries. As well as Instacart, there's also Postmates and Uber Eats, and even Deliveroo in the UK, where you just need a means of delivering food like a car or scooter, and you could be making up to $600 per month. Number 4, dog, house, and babysitting. Want to get paid for watching dogs in your neighbourhood? Or what about making money from watching someone else's house whilst they're away? If you've got some free time and want to get out of your own house, then watching dogs, houses, and children is a really good side hustle to make some extra cash. It's simple. Whilst the owners of these things are away, you do them a favour by looking after them, giving them peace of mind that nothing bad will happen whilst they're gone. Dog sitting is an especially good money-making hobby for those that live in a densely populated area, with a potentially huge and possibly wealthy client base to offer your services to. You can also double or triple up your money by taking multiple dogs out for a stroll at the same time. I wouldn't recommend doing the same thing for houses and definitely not children, but you do get the idea. There are plenty of wealthy people out there that need the most important things in their life looked after, and they are more than happy to pay for it. There's a potential here to earn an extra $500 per month, and potentially more if you're able to ramp it up. Start with sites like rover.com for dog sitting, mindmyhouse.com for house sitting, and care.com for looking after kids. Number 5, online freelancing. My next side hustle is one that's particularly good if you've already got a skill that people are willing to pay for. So, think of freelance writing, becoming a virtual assistant, graphic designer, bookkeeper, transcriber, and proofreader. These areas all vary in skill, but the one thing that they have in common is that you can do them on a freelance basis. This means the work is flexible and has the potential to be very lucrative, with an earning potential of $5,000 per month within 12 months if you're consistent and build a solid reputation. If you feel like you'd want to get into one of these areas and have no experience, then try taking an online course or learning by watching YouTube videos to get started. Then hustle your way to your first few clients before things start to snowball for you. There are well-known sites like Upwork and Fiverr that offer a platform for a variety of freelancers. But there are also sites like bookkeepers.com, transcribeanywhere.com, and proofreadanywhere.com that offer courses to help you learn a new skill. Being able to work from your own home, or anywhere really, makes online freelancing one of my favourite side hustles. Number 6, taking online surveys. Another side hustle similar to the focus groups one that I mentioned previously is by getting paid to take online surveys. Now, honestly, you're not going to get super rich from doing online surveys, but for such a simple task, you'll be able to make up to $200 per month if you're diligent enough. It all hinges on choosing the right survey sites. This is so important. Some pay up to $50 an hour, so there's definitely money to be made here. There are lots of survey sites that exist, but some good ones just to get started with include SurveyJunkie and Swagbucks. You might shoot some blanks on your survey journey, as some are only available to certain people depending on specific qualifications. But if you put in the time to research the right ones and stay determined, there's no reason why you can't make a decent amount of extra cash each month by just answering a few questions. Number 7, be a handyman or handywoman. Do you have a knack for fixing things around the house? Have you already got the tools at home to be able to put up a shelf, fill a few holes, or repair some broken furniture? If you do, then maybe you could do some odd jobs as a handyman or handywoman. Websites like handy.com can partner you with jobs under your skill set and act like the Airbnb of the fix-it world. You don't have to be a tradesman to get to work on the site. Basic tasks like TV mounting and picture hanging come under the jobs that Handy promotes. Amazon has even gotten in on the handyman bandwagon and have their own home services arm doing a similar thing. Why not get on board as well by doing these tasks for others? There's an earning potential of $500 per month here for doing things around someone else's house that you'd do at your own house anyway. Number 8, help people move. Speaking of other people's houses, do you know that you can make money on the side by helping other people move? Well, you can, and there's a potential here to make about $300 a month or more. The more you can shift, the more you can make. So if you already own your own van or trailer, then this might be the right one for you. But even if you've just got a car, then you can help people move their stuff for money. Just like other gig economy apps, Dolly.com will list jobs that need a certain amount of people to complete them. You can pick up the job, which the site calls a dolly. And if the dolly needs a couple of people to complete it, you can team up with other users to get it done. Now, this is just a starting point. Like everything else that we've gone through here, there's always an option to go out on your own and set up your own side business. There's always the option to combine a couple or a few of these ideas into a new business. Why not help people move, collect groceries, and rideshare all from one vehicle? It's totally up to you. And number 9, Online tutoring. My final side hustle involves teaching others. I'm referring to becoming an online tutor. Most people have an area of expertise, a subject that you consider yourself to be more knowledgeable than someone else. This could be audio production, copywriting, maybe even dating advice. Whatever it is, online tutoring is a great avenue for today's world. Popular ways of getting started as a tutor would be things like teaching a language, tutoring high school and college students, as well as teaching someone a new skill. A really big advantage of online tutoring is that it doesn't cost much money to get started. Having a decent laptop and internet connection, as well as your existing knowledge, is all that you really need. A site like VIPKid.com is a great place to start with helping people learn English. TutorMe.com covers a wide range of topics, from algebra to finance, and is highly recommended. italki.com lets people of all ages become fluent in almost any language by matching students up with tutors. If you've got knowledge in any of these areas and get on these sites, and you've probably got an opportunity to earn over $400 plus a month. And if academia or languages aren't your thing, then have a Google to find the platform that suits your area of expertise. If you've got a skill, someone out there wants to learn it and is willing to pay you to learn it. So there you have it. There are 9 ways that you can make a little extra money on the side that are flexible and can be suited around your job and your life. If you've got a car or a van, then there's deliveries, helping someone move, or just offering a simple ride-sharing service. If you've got a skill, then why not offer it on a freelance basis? Or get out there and teach it to potential students from around the world. Or there's even the option to let your opinions be heard through focus groups or simple surveys and get paid from the comfort of your own home with just a few clicks of your mouse. Whatever it is, there'll be something out there for you to make a side hustle out of. Hey, if you've enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel to see more content like this. We've got a lot more videos coming up for you guys. In the comments below, let me know which of these are your favourite side hustles. Which are you going to try? Thanks for watching.